his way to the docks. He was pulling the animal car to collect the animal and take it to the animal park. As he arrived, he saw a yellow tank engine with the words that read, "The Zoo Engine," as he was waiting as Callum.
Hello, you must be Callum. I'm Benjamin, and I'm the Animal Park's helper.
Nice to meet you, Benjamin. It's an honor to have an engine to help out at the animal park.
Thank you very much. The animals should be here any minute.
Then they heard a horn as Ivory rolled up beside the two engines with a large delivery. The delivery was an elephant.
Bust my buffers. That's the special load.
It is, and we have to be careful going down the line. This elephant is very heavy.
You're right. We'll find somewhere quiet.
As they wait, the elephant was let out and lead towards the animal car. Before it would be guided, the crash could be heard from the docks. The elephant was so startled that he reared up on its hind legs and trumpeted in a panicking tone. Then it ran away. The others were surprised.
That elephant gotten spooked by the crash. We have to find it and deliver it to the animal park.
Right. Come on.
Callum and Benjamin raced off to catch the elephant. Ivory raced off to the search and rescue center to report home. Harold radioed ahead to tell the park keepers. Ivory was already there when they loaded the tranquilizer guns into the carrier when Harold arrived. Soon, they departed. Harold went higher for a better look, while Callum and Benjamin split up to search for the elephant on the ground.
I sure hope that the elephant hasn't gotten into any trouble.
I think I spotted it, down at the field. Follow me.
Then, they soon found the elephant in the soccer field, where all the attendants are staring in shock to see a massive creature. Ivory arrived with the park keepers and some delicious fruit. The elephant was needed to be brought to the animal park so it would join the herd of them. The elephant followed the trail of mangoes into the car. It entered inside, and the keepers closed the door.
That's it, Callum. Ethan!
Soon, Callum arrived at the animal park. But then there was trouble. Sir Topham Hatt and the mayor has been waiting for the zoo engine to arrive. But Benjamin was nowhere to be seen.
Benjamin hasn't shown up for the welcome, and we haven't heard from his driver. But it turned out that he is missing, and this is a disaster.
Not to worry, sir. I'll find him and bring him here.
Soon, Callum was uncoupled from the animal car and went off to find Benjamin. Soon, he found Callum in the siding in Henry's forest.
There you are, Benjamin. Everyone is waiting for you at the animal park.
But I can't puff, and I'm out of coal. I need refill and I have to be there on time.
Not to worry, there's a coal hopper up at Wellsworth Station, so I'll shunt you there.
And so, Benjamin was refilled and on his way to the animal park. Then, they soon arrived back at the animal park, and everyone was pleased to see the animal park's new help, and the mayor began to make the announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to announce that the animal park has brought its newest helper to help out at the animal park. Benjamin has shown that he is very pleased to be respectful, reliable, helpful, and very useful. As a reward, he will have his own shed on the rails at the animal park.
Benjamin felt the happiest day of his life. For the first time, he knows that he has shown to be really useful. And Callum couldn't be even happier.